When it comes to babae, bay, respeto talaga ako niyan, no, kay we all came from our mothers, bay. Pero we have different opinions of ano yung mga gusto natin sa buhay, bay. And when it comes to relationship, pwede ba ma-romantic, pwede ba ma-friendship, pero usually ang aking gusto i-dwell na topic is yung sa romantic na relationship, bay. And for some people, bay, it's a delicate subject depending on religion, depending on belief. You think about monogamy, about polyamory, about taboo. There's also hidden, not really hidden, but unconscious people by on how they control their state, by how they are in the relationship, by para maging form siya na into a good, healthy relationship, not toxic, not polar, not disconnected, but connected to reality. Sexuality, that's part of reality. Orange, color orange, physical, grounded. Bless and love.